everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Today I'm going to be doing a ring pour with a ribbon pour inspired by one of my favorite pouring artists, Christine Jeshik, and she just put her very first YouTube video up. So I'm excited because she does some beautiful work and I'm looking forward to getting to see it happen. I'll put her link in the description box. I'm very excited for her and for me because I love her work. So I'm going to be doing something inspired by her. I'll be using the Arteza pouring acrylic colors. These are the pre-mixed pouring paints. All right, the colors I'm going to be using are rose pink, lavender, pastel yellow. I know you're thinking, ooh, an Easter egg, but no. If you add black to pastels, you can create something very dramatic. So if you wind up getting a kit like this and you wind up with colors and you're like, I would never use a color of pink in my pours, you'd be surprised the cool stuff that you can wind up with when you use black with it. I also have bronze, and I may use some of this forest green as well. I'm not typically a pastel person, but I do love the way that pastels look when combined with black. So this is an 8x10 canvas. This would need 3 ounces of paint. I'm gonna leave a little extra so I can do the groovy ribbon thing. I'm gonna start with black. Move this so you can see better. Lavender. I think I'll do this forest green next. Some bronze. And let's do some pink, forest green, yellow, more black. Let's see, where are we? Still got a bit to go. All right, a touch more black, and that should be plenty. Okay, let's make this happen. I'm going from like rings to wiggles. Okay, I'm getting to the end of the paint, and now the Christine Special. Use what I can up on these corners. Ooh. Okay, I don't think I want to do anything to this. And so you saw that was a lot of pastels going in there. But this has a very dramatic look. I dig this technique. Christine, I hope it did you proud. But I'm going to clean up and I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Back in a few. Okay, here it is. Up close and personal. I do really like these Arteza pre-mixed paints and just the Arteza paints in general for ring pours. They really, there's, as you can see, there's one there. One unwanted cell. So I do really dig these paints for that. Look at that bronze flashing there, so pretty. And there's like a slight layer of the bronze over top of that black there. Gives that a little sparkle. I dig it. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. Please do like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Do check out the description box below for links to Christine Jeshik's new channel. Go give her some love. You will not be sorry if you subscribe to her channel. My website, GinaDeLuca.net. The link is in there. If you would like to purchase some of my art, I will be putting up new inventory very, very soon. My music is also there. My new CD, Better Than Chocolate. You can check out the video for the song Better Than Chocolate. That will also be in the description box. My PayPal tip jar. Do check that out if you feel so inclined. It's a great way to help me stay stocked up in paint so I can keep bringing you fresh content, but another way is through the Amazon store. There is a link in the description box. If you enter Amazon through that link, any purchases that you make off of the entire site of Amazon, I receive a small commission of at no additional cost to you. And last but not least, join us on Facebook at Go Make Some Art. Post your masterpieces, ask your questions, get some inspiration. All right, y'all, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.